I spent 3 months promoting best laptops, best running shoes, and best credit cards. And you know what happened? Absolutely nothing. 0 sales, 0 commissions, $0. And it wasn't because I wasn't working hard. It was because I was chasing the wrong keywords. Hey everyone, welcome back to Everything Happens for Us. I'm Ted, and if you're a beginner affiliate marketer who's been putting in the work but seeing 0 results, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you why the obvious keywords are keeping you broke and what to do instead. And here's the best part. Every single strategy I'm sharing today cost me exactly $0. Let me show you what I mean. If I type in best laptops right now, watch this. Google says this gets 40,000 searches per month. Sounds amazing, right? 40,000 people looking for laptops. But look at the first page. Forbes, CNET, TechRadar. These are sites with domain authorities in the 90s. They have full-time writers, SEO teams, and budgets bigger than my apartment. Now here's what no one tells you. Even if you somehow ranked on page 1, these people aren't ready to buy. They're just browsing. They're comparing. They're just looking. I learned this the hard way. I wrote this beautiful 3,000-word guide to the best running shoes, spent weeks on it. And you know how many people bought through my link? 0. So here's the mindset shift that changed everything for me. Stop chasing keywords based on search volume. Start chasing keywords based on problems. See, someone searching best laptops has a problem? Sort of. They need a laptop. But someone searching best laptop for video editing under $1,000 has a specific problem. And here's the beautiful part. Keywords with buyer intent? They usually have low search volume, like 50 searches a month low, 100 searches a month low, numbers that make gurus scroll right past them. But if you're the only person creating content for that specific problem, those 50 people, they're yours, and they're way more likely to buy. Let me give you a real example. There's this guy, I won't name him, who started a site about, wait for it, heated bird baths. I know. Heated bird baths. Sounds ridiculous, right? But here's the thing. People who own birds in cold climates, they need heated bird baths. Their birds need water that isn't frozen. So he writes articles like, Best Heated Bird Bath for Cardinals and How to Install a Heated Bird Bath Without an Outdoor Outlet. Tiny keywords, 50 searches a month, maybe 100. But he's the only person writing about heated bird baths for cardinals. So when those 50 people find his site, they trust him, and they buy through his Amazon links. That site now makes over $2,000 a month. Heated bird baths. So here's what we're going to do in this series. I'm going to show you exactly how to find these hidden, zero-volume keywords that actually convert, for free, with no paid tools. By the end of this series, you'll never look at keywords the same way again. If this is your vibe, smash like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. Join the crew and never miss the next zero-volume keyword drop. Also, drop a comment below and tell me, what's the most ridiculous niche you can think of? Heated bird baths is my favorite, but I bet you can come up with something even better. Thanks for watching, and remember, everything happens for us. I'll see you in the next one.